Hey, we're going camping tomorrow, so let's pack the RV. Come on. Come on. Stop it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Seriously, come on. We're going to start with the fridge. Most important, my daughter's juice. Because guess what? If we're up in the woods and we don't have this, we're going to know. You're going to know. We're all going to know. A few protein shakes for myself. I put these in coffee. Sometimes I just drink them as is. So just packing a few of these. Some body armor. Some water for formula or just to have water bottles. Looks good. We just turned the fridge on, so those are gonna chill. I need to get a new water. To keep things fun and interesting for the kids, I got a few toys. So we actually have some of these little eggs in the house. Kennedy loves them, and Grayson does too, actually. So I got another one of these. They come apart and they have different shapes. I got some Halloween toys for Dexter because the last time we went camping, we forgot to bring some stuff for him. So some toys in case like we're outside and like we want to play catch with him while the kids are napping. Kennedy loves these little Tykes Fisher Price dolls. So, and she's been really into trucks lately, so I think she's gonna love these. And I also got her these. Again, I know she's a girl, but she's really into trucks lately, so I got her some trucks. We also realized last time we went camping that we forgot coffee mugs, which is why the little trip we went on was great, because we realized what we forgot. So, I've got 2 coffee mugs here. Both Winnie the Pooh, because this is what they had at TJ Maxx, but I love Winnie the Pooh. And then this one. How cute. Okay. I need to run inside and grab some more stuff. It's almost 8 o'clock and I still haven't made dinner. Kennedy took a bottle of milk and she dumped it inside 2 drawers the other day full of her clothes. So we just took everything and we're basically washing her whole wardrobe right now. Okay, we've got jammies and outfits for Grayson, burp cloths and some bibs, and then Kennedy's PJs, and then I need to grab some for outfits, but they're in the wash right now. Since we need to pick up more water in the morning, we're probably going to stop at Walmart on the way, and I might look for, like, I don't know, maybe like a pair of sweatpants and a sweatshirt for Kennedy, because we don't really have anything in her size going into the fall, and it's getting pretty chilly. Like, it's actually pretty cold right now. So, anywho. It's almost 10 o'clock and I hadn't eaten dinner yet, but I was meal prepping all of the food for the trip. So I had all this stuff out to make beef stew. So I literally made 1 bowl of beef stew for myself because everyone else is in bed. Oh wow, this really thickened up. All right, I'm gonna eat this and then I gotta go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.